What's up, Lollipop? My name is Joe, and in today's video, iPhone 13 Pro Max, unboxing and first look. This is Apple's brand new iPhone, and I will be comparing it to an iPhone 12 Pro Max and see what the difference is. The brand new color, Sierra Blue, is here, so let's start with the unboxing. Apple has refined the unboxing experience. As you can see, there's no more plastic on the box. Instead of the plastic, you have these two sticky pads over here that you can tear off, and that will allow you to open the box. So let's start. Let's open the box. And there you have it. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max. There's not much in the box other than a lightning cable and some paperwork. This phone is beautiful. I got the Sierra Blue version and I thought it was going to be a little bit weird, a little bit too baby blue, but it's actually not. It's the perfect frosted blue color. If we compare it to an iPhone 12 Pro Max, you can see that it's a lot lighter, which I think is a better decision from Apple. Although I liked the Pacific Blue, this Sierra Blue, in the first moment I saw it, really grew on me, and I prefer it over the darker version. In terms of dimensions, there is not much difference. It's exactly the same phone except for the camera bump. The camera bump is a little bit bigger on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, as you can see here. If we look at the sides, you can see that it still has the stainless steel, which is, I think, beautiful. Even though it's a fingerprint magnet, I prefer this much more than the aluminum one. And it is a little bit lighter on the iPhone 13 Pro Max, but it always depends on which way you turn the device. If we look at the camera bumps, the cameras are protruding a little bit more on the 13 Pro Max, and the camera hump all over the camera island is bigger too, as you can see here on these images. Now, this is not a big difference. It's a difference so that if you buy a phone case, you're probably gonna have to get a new phone case for this phone. If we look at the button placements, you can see that everything is in the same place as before. All the power buttons, the volume rockers, except for the SIM card slot, which is a little bit higher up in the case of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. This is a very comfortable phone. It's nothing special. If you had an iPhone 12 Pro Max, this is going to feel the same in your hand. If we look at the speaker on the top, you can see that it has been refined and has been put to the top of the phone, and the Face ID sensor is a little bit smaller. So let's turn on the phone and let's see how it looks. And when you turn on the phone, the first thing you see is the 120 Hz display, which is absolutely amazing. I adore this screen. This is the biggest difference that you can see with this phone, and I cannot get enough of it, and I can't wait to use it on a day-to-day basis. It was about time for Apple to give this to us. Now, this is the first look and unboxing experience of the iPhone 13 Pro Max. If you want to see more videos like this, then be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video if you actually liked it. I will be coming back with a first impressions video, a review video, a camera test, a battery test. So there are many iPhone 13 videos that are upcoming. Be sure to check them out. Thank you very much for watching, and until my next video, stay safe and hang loose.